Hey, what's up, guys? I'm here with the...
Say, man, who you here with?
With the legend himself.
Oh, 16! Oh, my God. Oh, Lord. We had a good time out here, man. What we did, man?
Shit, we drank some micheladas, ate some tacos.
Michelada? Oh, my God. They won first place. Somebody won first place. Shit. I don't know who, but hey, we had a good time at 16 promotion right here at Viva Park. Say where we was.
We was eating tacos. We got micheladas.
Yeah, we ate some tacos.
And then we had some badass music.
Oh, Lord, you talking about music. Man, y'all missed it. If you wasn't here, we had good music. Oh, Lord, 16!
So big shout out to all the 610 family.
Oh, yeah.
Victor, Mouse himself right here.
16!
And Carlos. So make sure y'all follow them, buy their merch. Make sure y'all go check out their tires, their rims. Peace. We'll see y'all next time.
Hey, man, we'll see y'all next time.
Sir. ¿Qué onda, raza? Aquí estamos en el 610 Wheels Barbecue, Michelada Show aquí en Houston, Texas, con la Toxica Tienda, Copa Santos, tacos el Perico, oílo.
Lo que pasa es que la banda está borracha, Lo que pasa es que la banda está borracha. Lo que pasa es que andamos de parranda. Lo que pasa es que andamos de parranda.
Era nomás, puro famoso. Dame por.
Sin parar, de arriba abajo.
DJ Paul. Oh shit, Paul did it. Graphic. Official Fuego. Come on, DJ Paul. We got Mouse.
Amigos, de parranda para todos ustedes, complaciendo al instante la banda borracha.
Lleva la
Para
shot,
todos los borrachos de
Acosta.
esta tarde. Saludcita. Seguimos avanzando. Con más de las melodías, con más de la musiquita sabrosona.
Crazy!
Sí.
Crazy!
Temas de las grabaciones, amigos. Me rompieron la camisa y con los pantalones, con las manos en la mano. ¿Cuál foco? Si esta noche no traje el foco. ¿Cuál foco?
¿Qué onda, raza? Aquí estamos en Houston, Texas. Estamos con Suelo Mob. Jorgito TV, Suelo Mob.
Para todos los celosos, para todos los tóxicos de esta noche.
Seguimos con más música, con más melodías, con más de los temas que tenemos de todos ustedes. ¿Dónde está?
Oh, hey, man, we right here with Alex, man. I'm with Alex, man. Oh, we was 16 promotion at the event, man. We had fun, didn't we, Alex?
Yeah, we had fun.
Say, man.
I'm here with my boy, Mob. 610 Wheels, baby. Yeah.
Yeah, we out here.
16. Make sure y'all follow them, subscribe, and go buy their merch, go buy the rims. So I'm here with my boy Mouse. It was a good time in Houston.
Say, man, my boy Alex,
It was a good time from Houston. I'm here from the Valley, so shout out.
Shout out to the Valley, man. 16.
Put a 610, put a 610. Appreciate it.